don't even know what I say. Bienvenue to Le Café Craft. So when your life is just doing fine and pitchy, somebody comes out with this idea of, let's do self-inflicted torture challenge type of deal. So here's the thing. Now, those people happen to have given me stamps and mugs, so not pointing fingers. The idea is you pick one item and then you pick a theme. Needless to say, I didn't make the list of any of that. They did. So now I got little bowls that I got to pick little papers out of and see what happened after that. So let's pick the item. This is the yellow bowl. All right. I'm not gonna even see what it is. Let's pick up the theme, which is gonna be a twisted theme. They're very creative. And we see what it is. Okay. Belly band, all right. Le Petit Prince, which is Le Petit Prince in English. Okay. I think they call it the Little Prince. That's the, that famous little book with the little desert fox. Anyway, okay. Well, hopefully we got anything. Belly band, okay. And Little Prince, I think I got something for it. And actually, let me see. I think I have the thing. All right, so here's the book. This is what we're talking about. This is a French classic. Every kid has to read it no matter what, once in their life. We need a fox. We need a rose. I know there is a snake somewhere. So you have a sheep, a snake, and a fox. You have a rose. I know there's the sky. And then you have weird people. You have sunset. But pretty much I'm gonna go with the animal thing. And there's the pilot. Okay. Because Saint-Exupéry, who wrote that book, was an airplane pilot. All right, well, let me dig into whatever I have to come up with that. And the stars. Oh, yes, there is a star, too. Okay, I'm just gonna find fox, sheep, and roses, and snake. I don't even know if I have snake. They are pretty cool. I think that's what we're gonna go for. So, we're gonna take a bunch of, you know what? That's a dollar store calendar that I just, tampered with. Okay, we need scissors. Or maybe we wanna cut straight. How about that? That'd be different. Chances are this is not gonna fit. Yes, it does. All right. Okay, let's do this thing. I don't know about you guys. Those things for me never ever cut straight. No matter what I do, it's just not doing it ever. I mean, at this point, it's either me or the cutter. Chances are it's me. All right, belly band. Where is that little rose that I found? I was in the middle of doing the coolest thing there is, okay? And I'm gonna make a video about it because this is so awesome. It's easy to do, use your scrap. Anyway, I'm maybe gonna put another rose here because those are the things we never have enough. A rose. Some kind of sky, because I don't have planet, but he's pretty much looking at the sky every night, and that's kind of a night sky, because this is where the sky is. It's on top of us. I'm gonna cut here. So you know that trick, right? That if you want this look, you do it like this. But if you want this look, you do it the other way. I mean, I didn't know that until somebody mentioned it. I'm like, whoa. That's cool. So, this is tip of the day. I mean, I'm sure you all know that, but, you know, for a while I didn't, so. So if you don't want the white, you don't pull toward you, you tear away from you. Away. I got this guy here. I can fussy cut. I got the rose. I think I'm gonna use that fox. I got my sky planet. Where's my rose? I can put my rose right here. I'm gonna do the sheep. I wish I had a better sheep. I'm gonna take that fox. Looks way better. And this can be a little dark spot. Thing is, I need one sheep, and then these things get two sheeps. I got a sheep. I need a snake. Those snakes were pretty cool, weren't they? Where are the snakes? Snakes are gone. They are. What's in the back of stupid stuff? That's a cool snake. Alright. Snake. Okay, I'm gonna put my little sheep on. I'm gonna paste it on this. Alright, so anyway, I was into the middle of, if anybody's still here, hello, are you there yet? Doing a little ephemera storage. I don't know what it can even be called, but anyway, where you can store your ephemera in. That's what I was in the middle of doing. That's why there's stuff everywhere here. And I think I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on it because it is so extremely cool. And I know for a fact that you have everything to do it. So there'd be no need to go and buy this or buy that. It's all in-house. And then all those flying little roses and flowers and this and that we keep in plastic bag and what have you, right? And end up being like bended and torn and all of that. Well, they're gonna be nice, flat, and organized. I'm gonna put this like this, and this is gonna go like this. I'm gonna put my fox right smack in the middle. Sheep's is gonna go in here. Now I need a snake. And that's it. This is it. We have a snake, a fox, a rose, a sky with maybe a star somewhere, and a sheep. And we got a belly man, okay? What about a yellow rose? Well, that we are just doing it. You know why? Because the faster I'm done, the faster I can go back to what I was doing before. And that by itself, it's an incentive. You know, the thing is, I'm thinking this is gonna be the type of belly band that I'm never gonna be able to use for anything. So my phone is barking. It means somebody's trying to communicate something. I don't even know what happened to my glue stick. My glue stick just disappeared. Let me glue the fox, put the light on, finish this thing, and be done. Done. And that glue, you don't have too long to move it. Alright, let me put the light on. But this being said, I think it's a pretty cool idea. You know, it's like, oh, why don't you make this about this and then see what happened? In all honesty, I was not that crazy about it. But on the other hand, you know what? Whatever make your brains work. it's a good thing. I'm just gonna smack it here. You know, like this snake. You never see them anyway. I mean, when you see them, it's too late. There's the snake. See, it's a little bit like, find the snake. You don't see it right away. Okay, sky is the limit. Hopefully this is all gonna be edited and you don't have to go through half of this nonsense here. Okay, my rose right here, and I'm gonna put the sheep. Ah, this is so cool. Okay. Oh, I'm an old rose. Yep, now you are. I mean, other than having ink on your fingers, this is all this is gonna happen. This is a cool looking rose. I like that. If there's glue, yes. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. We're gonna have a little bit popping out. Right? Right. Okay, let me... Alright, in a million years, nobody's gonna know that we're talking about the little prince here, but you know what? Doesn't matter. I do. You do. There you go. See, that's pretty cool. Do I have a... Here. It is pretty cool because you have the little indent of the rose. That is just, this is a perfect size too. How cool is this? Okay, hold on. Let's make room here. All right. Challenge accepted and completed. Here is my version of Belly Band, Le Petit Prince. There's a fox, there's roses, there's a snake, there's a deer rose, there's the sheep, and there's the sky. And you're just gonna have to go and read the story. That's all I got to say about that. All right. Bam, bam, bam. Done.